Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix something went wrong. Please try again on TikTok. So first thing first, let's make sure that we are using the latest version of our application. For that, head over to your Play Store. Simply search for TikTok. Now here, if you see any update button, tap on update. If it just shows open, leave this as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and select apps. Here also search for TikTok and then tap on storage. Clear the cache and also clear the data. Before doing so, read all these, then tap delete. Come back onto app info page, tap force stop and then OK. Now tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed permissions for all the needed like camera, microphone, photos and videos. And now restart your device, launch your application and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you can try another method. Launch any of your preferred web app. At the top search bar, type in TikTok login, and you can simply log in via a web browser for temporary purpose. Just like so guys, these are the ways that you can simply fix a problem.